Make a great choice today with the 2018 WRX. The Subaru WRX is built with performance in mind. Not only does it provide corner-hugging ability and power galore, but it also provides fantastic fuel efficiency. Plus, you get the dependability that we've come to expect from a Subaru. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote trunk release, four-wheel disc brakes. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.